In this lecture, I am going to tell you about a very special method of Python, which is type. So type method comes in handy when while determining the data type of a particular identifier. So we can use the type method whenever we are interested in knowing, we are in the requirement of knowing the data type of a particular identifier. Here by identifier I mean to say a variable. Okay, so what I will do is as an example, let me take some variables, like I have taken this variable code and I have assigned it the value, integer value 9009. Then I am going to take another variable amount and I am going to give it a float data type value, which is also called floating point data type. Okay, so another variable is name, value of which is Anand Mahajan within double quotes. Of course, it is a string. And then I have taken a bool data type variable flag and I have assigned it true, because true has been assigned to the variable flag. Naturally its type would be boolean, which is called bool. Print, then I am going for these print statements. Print type within parenthesis code, print type within parenthesis amount, print type within parenthesis name. So all these are variables. Print type within parenthesis the variable flag. Okay, so let's execute the program. What will happen is it is going to print the data type of all these variables. Okay, so this is the output. As you can see, within angular brackets writing class means data type. So here class means data type. Int was displayed for code, float was displayed for amount because amount had a floating point value, and str stands for string. This is being printed for the variable name because it was containing, this variable was containing a string data type value. And finally it is printing class bool means data type bool for the variable flag. Why? Because flag variable was containing a boolean data type value, so it happened to be a bool variable, so data type was bool. So bool is getting printed for the variable flag.